In this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw your funds from Phantom Wallet and convert them into real money. So whether you want to cash out to your bank, PayPal, or other crypto exchange, I'll break it down step by step. So first, before withdrawing, it's best to convert your crypto into a stable coin like USDT or USDC to avoid price fluctuations. So in order to do that, open your Phantom wallet and go to the swap tab or swap sections in here, and then enter the amount you want to pay. For example, 200 to 155 as well. So as you can see in here, it turns red because I don't have a balance in here. So assumingly we have. So as you can see, we have a converted price for the Solana token. And then after that, confirm the transaction and wait for it to complete. So stablecoins help you look in your profits before cashing it out. Now, in order to withdraw a crypto exchange, you need to send your funds to an exchange that allows withdrawals to your bank account or PayPal. You can open Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, or another exchange that supports Solana. And now, you can go to the deposit, select USDT or USDC and copy your deposit address, and then in the Phantom wallet, click the send, and then select a Solana as your token, and then enter the exchange address in here and confirm. And then after that, wait for the transfer to complete, and this usually takes a few minutes. Always double check the wallet address before sending funds. And once your funds arrive in the exchange, you can go to the trade or sell section in here and sell your USDT, USDC for your local currency like USD, Euro, pesos, etc. So the funds will now be available in your exchange wallet as a fiat money. And now it's time to move the cash to your personal account on the exchange. Go to the withdraw and select the bank transfer or PayPal, and then enter your bank or PayPal details and confirm the transaction. And then wait for the money to arrive because processing times vary by exchange and method. And some changes offers instant PayPal withdrawals while bank transfer can take 1 to 3 days. And that's it. That's how you cash out from Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.